بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل? Did you not see how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل? Did he not make their plan astray? وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. And he sent against them birds in great flocks. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل, which hurled at them stones of baked clay. فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. And he made them like eaten straw. This surah was revealed in Mecca. It takes its title from the reference to the army accompanied by elephants. It is the main subject of this brief surah. The surah has 5 ayat. It describes the plight of this army which Allah utterly destroyed. Abraha was an Ethiopian ruler. He ruled Yemen. He created a great church in Sana'a. He hoped to divert the annual pilgrimage from the Kaaba to the new church. When this did not happen, he was determined to destroy the Kaaba. He set out for Mecca at the head of a large army which included a war elephant. This was unknown and very surprising to the Arabs. They therefore called this year in which this incident happened the year of the elephant. Abraha's army was totally destroyed on its march. Abraha himself died on his return to Sana'a. The nature of the doom that overtook the invading army was certainly miraculous. It brought a sudden, totally unexpected rescue to the distressed people of Mecca. As the army encamped outside the sacred area around the Kaaba, Allah destroyed them with a flock of birds, which pelted them with stones of clay. These made them bleed heavily. Their wounds became infected with pus, and they died in a short time. Allah the Almighty saved His house. The purpose of this surah is to show Allah's favor on the tribe of Quraysh of Mecca and His protection of His sacred house. This incident took place in the year 571, the year in which the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was born.